Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia. Today we are here with Don Riley, an artist, producer, and many more. We are going for a quick break, and when we get back, you get more from the man himself.
Round earth step a gang track spinning. Time is money non stop. Be a minute them don't want me fi rise, but them know I'm unstoppable. Try stop me impossible. Them
Welcome, Mr. Don Riley. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing awesome. Thanks for asking. So we promote talents here on Portmore Talent Show, but it's also broadcasting to the world. So tell us, what's your government name?
All right, so my given name is Dillian Riley.
Dillian Riley.
Yes.
Okay, you're also an artist, producer, among other stuff. Well, tell Portmore Talent Show most of the things in which you do.
All right. So, I operate an entertainment company called God Life Exclusive Entertainment, which I do artist management, music promotion, music
Yeah.
production, bookings, pretty much the whole works. So, I also keep events.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, everything in the pipeline.
Multi-talented, right? All
Yes.
right, tell us a little bit about yourself. Where were you born and where did you grow up?
Okay, so I'm originally from Kingston 13 at that.
Yeah.
I grew up there until I was about 7.
Mm-hmm.
Then I came here to live in Portmore with my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I hail from West Cumberland.
Wisconsin.
Yes.
Portmore. So, what event happened showed you that you're of this talent and you can do so much?
All right. I think I was born for this, built for this
Yeah.
because I have a musical family,
Mm-hmm.
musical background. Um, ever since I was growing up, I always loved music. I have a uncle that's well known in the business. He's a
Yeah.
selector, Tony Mataran. So,
Whoa.
like his influence and all of the influence that I got growing up,
Yeah.
like this told me that this is the thing for you. There isn't anything else. Like I don't see myself like really happy doing anything other than music, arts, and entertainment. I just love the fact that I can entertain people. I
Yeah.
can put on a show. I can be whatever I want to be where entertainment is concerned, or anything else in the world as a matter of fact.
Definitely. Sky is the limit.
Yes.
Did you start out as an artist, producer?
Yes, I originally started out as an artist because my attempt at trying to write music was from like fourth grade.
Whoa.
And that was the first time I tried to write something. And remember the first time I write it, my uncle laughed and said, "What you want to write on the artist?" you know. But by the time I go to high school, because I went to Woolmer's,
Mhm.
so by the time I went to Woolmer's, they had a careers day
Yeah.
when I was in ninth grade. So they had all type of people there, like soldiers, doctors, lawyers, and they also had a producer there.
Yeah.
So he set up a studio on the chemistry block. I wrote a song. It was a culture song, and I only had one verse. So I was walking around, with my grandmother, cause my grandmother was there with me, and I had some other friends out there, and that link up, and
Yeah.
we meet up in the studio now at the chemistry lab. And when we go in them, it's like all of the youth them were there on the choir. In there, the choir youth them love sing already
Yeah.
and show
Yeah.
off and go on with themselves. So me just in a little corner, so I go and watch them car. Them have voice and everything, and me I say, yo, man, if nobody look on this. My friend now, which is him is an artist right now,
Yeah.
him name Skillful.
Yeah.
Yeah, and right now he's located in New York and him a do him thing, him a go on real good. So it's like him say to me say, Dillian, remember say you're artist, Go give them a one chat. And I say, brother, no. And film father say, your friend an artist. One on them one and see so woman put the earphone over my ears and it's like I say, alright, I forgot zone out them people here and
Yeah.
it was a song when in Better Days.
Yeah.
And my voice the song. And when my voice the song and like I say some open my eye, I just hear everybody a clap. All them choir you they did a sing and no, me never hear them a sing and nobody a clap.
Yeah.
And when me done me hear everybody a clap and me I say, Jah know Father God, like I show me say,
Yeah.
this music thing here is definitely for me, one way or the other. Yeah.
That's amazing. So after zoning out everybody, you find your zone in the midst of crowd.
In the midst of the crowd.
So would you say that you're the type of person that like to work by yourself, you work with a group, or you're always based on your own?
Alright, I am a team player.
Okay.
Really and truly, because no man is an island. You get
True.
me? Say, Father God bless you with many gifts, but it still takes another one to, I'm gonna say, show you these gifts more and acknowledge these gifts. Because you
True,
can be
true.
gifted, but you need a second for can say, boy, but you can do it that way, or you can do it the
Mm-hmm.
next way. And you see, through teamwork, I realize, say, it make the dream work. It better
True.
when you have another opinion, even
True.
though you can always do it yourself sometimes. But yeah.
Understood. All right. So you said that you come from a musical background. Where do you get your motivation from?
All right. You see, my uncle, Mataran,
Mm-hmm.
like while growing up, I always see them one day mash up Sound Clash.
Yeah.
And it is a inspiration because most selector no go as
Yeah.
big as I see them man they go big.
Mm-hmm.
And for see him start out like just a play round a sound box till him start build him like a name and thing and him go foreign and do a little thing, come back and do him thing and him a kill couple sound and him a get bigger and bigger and bigger till
Yeah.
one of the time him decide say him a go try music and then it end up start work and then him go
Yeah.
get one big hit song where everybody
Dirty
know as Dirty
Wine.
Wine and it's like in a myself me I say John no start. The man you gifted, man. The man you're
Mhm.
destined for greatness, man. Because you just start out as a selector and it's like you end up do everything. You produce, you this, you
Yep.
that. You're there everywhere. You're there on the hit stations, them. You know me? One of the time I see them there on like BT, VH1, all of them kind of something there. So me I say, well,
You can do it same.
yeah, I can do it just like my uncle. And then I also have some cousins.
Yeah.
Where when come to DJ, I them teach me for DJ. You see me? A cousin that him name Profis. That time artist name.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So when me I grew up as a little youth, Profis them have all 20 book worth of song. You get me I say? And them youth they really show me how to structure a song, 8 bar, 16 bar, them little thing there. And you know, so from a very young age.
Awesome. What is it like owning God Life Entertainment?
I think it's a wonderful privilege by Father God. Because reason why I say so, growing up, it was always a dream.
Yeah.
Music, arts, entertainment, it was just a dream, and I always wanted this dream to become a reality. Up until the time when I decided, so okay, I'm going to get this business now going to register this business and get it off the ground. I didn't even have a artist as yet.
Yeah.
A Stepper, who is one of my main artists from Stepper Gang Music,
Yeah.
like we were just knowing each other as friends.
Yeah.
And him DJ a couple of him sang them for me, and to hold him sang them so me I say, John Omoji, it come like are you am an artist, you know, I feel like a Father God send you for me, you know, cause
Yeah.
for some reason your song them just sound like the song them of me want for you push a
Right, yeah.
road. And that's a history from this so. From this so when I stop work together, you know, I work a couple call centers and I end up build some links with the artists them there so
Yeah.
and them themselves anywhere them go them say, oh God life, God life, God life. So it's like people all promote me sometime and me myself never promote myself. So it's like I know say
You're gonna make it, man.
Yeah.
Anything you put your mind to, put your energy to, you'll accomplish it eventually. But do you have any new products, songs, or anything working on at the moment?
Alright, most definitely. Alright, so we have right now a project that is out. It's the Night Star Rhythm. So there's a music video on it also with Ruthie Hustle and Spade Stepper. It's called
Yeah.
Climax. It's going very well. It's playing in couple parties and so
Yeah.
on, and we're doing more promotions on it. A Stepper also has a song on the rhythm called Sex
Yeah.
Demon. We'll have Atomic Stepper on it. We'll have Tev Walls on it. African artist,
Yeah.
which is in Russia, even though you know the current thing that's going on
Yeah.
right now. He has a song on it also named Attention. Very, very amazing song. So yes, a lot of projects. We have the NGA concert coming up, which is on the 28th of May, and it will be featuring all those artists like Casanova, upcoming artists, Squaff Boss,
Yeah.
you know. So yeah, a lot in the pipeline coming up.
Awesome. So we have come to the end of the interview segment with Dillian. Now, as the man said, have a lot of work in progress. You have rhythms out there. You have entertainment coming out soon. So stay tuned.
Big up on yourself, everybody. This is Dan Riley representing for God Life Entertainment. And we are keep one party named NGA Concert, the 28th of May. And this concert will be featuring artists like A-Stepper, Spade Stepper, Atomic Stepper, Casanova, you get me I say, Prime Lord, and many, many, many more. You get me I say? So just roll out, forward, the king them, the queen them, you don't know, 5 bills at the gate. You see me I say, come have a good time, bro, for enjoying yourself. You don't know the big spenders them, the ballers them, you don't know the settings. God life, Stepper gang, one move.